Well, I feel like I'm really starting to find a love-hate relationship with these old Volkswagens. She was doing just fine and then went and killed it at the store and nothing. Didn't want to crank over or anything, so figuring it's something small. It's either going to be, I know my battery's good. It's a new battery,
right.
So.
Sound like maybe some kind of wiring to the
Wiring or
starter.
maybe the starter
Yeah.
itself or something, but.
Yeah.
I'll turn it over, kind of show you what it's not doing anyways.
Okay.
Heck, it'll probably work this time.
That's usually the way it always works for me.
You ready?
Ready?
See nothing.
Yeah.
I got dash lights and everything like that, but
Yeah, I'm not even getting a click back here.
yeah. Now I guess it could be even that ignition switch up there, but
Yeah. Yeah.
probably gonna be that old starter.
Yeah, like I said, it's probably either that or the wiring going to it's going to be loose or something, but
Yeah.
I think I can get up underneath there and kind of jiggle some wires, and if that's not it, then go ahead and just take the starter out and see what it is.
Yeah.
It's got to be one or the other.
Yeah, that guy's getting close on that old Metro. I bought an old Metro van, so he was willing to bring it down here to us. So
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and meet him out there and check that thing out, try to get him paid up and get it unloaded. But
Alrighty. Well, I'll try to crawl underneath and at least wiggle some wires, and if that doesn't get it, I'll come on out there and help you.
I'll holler at you if I need a hand.
Alrighty.
Yeah, there she is.
There she is.
Appreciate you bringing her down here for me.
You bet, man. I've never seen one
She's
that
a
old
beauty.
original like that. Complete, you know.
Guess they had the old windows painted black on her, huh?
Yeah, I think that was to keep the heat out. They had a little snow cone stand. They were selling snow cones out
Oh,
the back
really?
of it, a little setup.
Huh.
Yeah.
Even got the old hubcaps on it.
Yeah, original hubcaps, original drive line, original everything. Good solid floors.
Is it a standard or automatic?
Standard. 17.5 tires. You can't
Yeah.
find them anywhere. I mean,
Right.
you have to special order them.
Yeah.
Now, you know way more about these than I do. And,
Yeah, they keep finding me, it seems like.
well, yeah, I'd seen the video at Trenton's, and I
Yes,
thought,
sir.
well, I know perfect home for this thing.
Yes, sir. Well, I appreciate you reaching out to us on it.
Yeah, you bet. I really like y'all's work.
Pretty solid.
Yeah, cleaned her all out, got all the dirt daubers out and what have you,
Yeah.
and left you a little treasure box right there. That was something that was in there, and it's just full of whatever. And I thought, well, you
Oh,
know,
yeah.
every little vehicle needs one of those.
Right. Yep. Man, that is in pretty good shape.
I've never seen one with all the, without somebody, you know, butchering
Right.
it something, and it's got all kinds of little storage areas.
Yeah, most of the time you buy these, they've done cut a hole somewhere in it.
And like I said, all these doors work really well. I hung a fence panel on that driver's door and bent the handle a little bit, but these hadn't even been greased or oiled, but they work really good, considering, you know. Boy, she's a heavy beast.
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
About what year is this? Do you have any idea? I was thinking late 40s. It's got two different, you know, it's got the International Harvester plate on it, then it's got the Metro plate. I figured you know how to decipher that. I think.
In late 40s, the grills were a little different on them. They were a lot longer style of a grill, so judging by the handles on it there, the dash is kind of new. Most of them just have gauges that are just sitting down in there. Probably early 60s.
Early 60s,
Yeah.
okay, I was thinking it was way earlier.
Yeah, like I said, the
I
early.
was glad the grill was in it because, and I went in and put a few bolts in it just so it wouldn't get lost.
Look like it had a little fender bender at one time.
It sure did, yep. But all in all, it's a pretty solid little old truck.
Yeah. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of rot or anything.
No, one little ding there, yep.
All flat metal though, so.
Right, pretty easy, and flat glass.
Yeah.
That's got BBs in that one, but the rest of that glass is all good.
Yeah. Cool, man. Have you tried? Do you think it'll turn over or locked up?
I was told it would run. It was running when they parked it, so and it still got good oil in it. And I found the breather and everything for it. So
Most of that old stuff will. It don't happen like that way.
yeah, I saw that in that 40 that you got it started running. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
those,
that thing still had the original tires on it. We were able to drive it down to the other shop on.
right, right.
Well, does this one, are the brakes or anything locked up on it?
No, it rolls. It rolls good. Other than the tires, it rolls good.
Yeah. Alrighty. Definitely works for me. Like I said, I appreciate you bringing it down sometimes.
It hauled a lot better than I thought it was going to. You know, it looks kind of heavy on here, but I ran 80 miles an hour down here. Didn't give me any troubles at all.
Cool. Well, I've got a little forklift. We can probably just hook onto the back and kind of.
Oh yeah, yeah, sounds good. That's how I unloaded it when I got to the house. I just pulled it off, you know.
Yeah. Well, I'll go grab you some cash. We may have it. We may pull you forward just a little bit, so
Give you a little bit more room. All right, that sounds good.
Appreciate it.
You
sir.
bet. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Well, what do you think about her?
Pretty good shape. She's got a few little flaws, but
dents and dings, but as sheet metal wise,
yeah,
I think it's
rust-wise.
probably one of the cleanest Metros we've had around the shop
Yeah.
here.
Yeah,
You know, they all kind of have it around that body line right there, but you tell this one took a good lick to that front fender
Yeah.
at one time. But
yeah, a little.
I'd love to put some logos. Yeah, a little dent there. Be super cool to throw some logos up on this and decide what to do with it next. But
Right.
he said the old motor in here was all original, but he left this little chest. He was it's like just a
Full of
bunch-
whatever.
Yeah. Don't say anything that I can't live without.
What that thing is?
No telling. I don't know if I'd want to pick it up. Hard to say. Yeah. He's right though. They all have something in them. I'm
Yeah.
curious to see this old motor here. Huh. He told me that door wouldn't open. I thought
And he said something about the
Hung the-
hung
the handle on it, but that's good. Well, it feels good. I like the way these old things sit. Kind of curious though what shape this motor's gonna be in.
I don't know, with a coil looking like that, I'm assuming that's a coil. That may not be a good sign.
Yeah. See what we got
A little
here.
bit of everything, a lot of nothing.
Shows 83,000 miles on the
Oh yeah.
odometer there. Yeah, missing the oil cap.
Yeah, that's not a good sign. Yeah, there's part of the
Oh, the starter's what
starter.
that was.
Yep.
Huh. Yeah.
Fuel line.
Here, let's try to set this. Hinges are rusted off. Let's set it back out of the way here.
Got it?
Yeah.
But it's not as bad as it could be. I mean, at least the oil cap missing, it's inside. It's not like it.
Right. Yeah, that's true. Trying to find there's a dipstick. Yeah, it does have. Oil in it,
Oil
though.
in it.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. That radiator's seen better days.
Yeah. That radiator's seen that fan up close and personal. You know, that water pump must have went out and got all up in it.
It's turning.
Turning over?
Yeah, it turned for a second there. Then the belt gave, but it did turn.
Huh. Well, at least we know it ain't locked up.
That's right, yeah.
Guess they had the battery up there on this one.
Yeah, got the battery cable, battery box. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like a mirror.
Transmission goes in gear, in and out of gear.
I don't know what the mirror down on the motor was for, but
Clutch feels good.
yeah.
I'm just gonna hit the brake, yeah. Knew that wasn't gonna happen. Well, I think we did good on this one.
I think so too. I mean, you never know with the motor. I mean, it'd be neat if it'll crank up, but
Yeah.
if it don't.
Oh, I think she'll run. Well, we can just dig into it a little bit more and have to try to find some tires to
Yeah.
get put on it, but
Yeah. Might be easier to find wheels. I don't know.
yeah, that'd probably be the hardest part is getting some tires on this old
Yeah.
girl. But
I'm sure you probably got a pretty good deal on it.
yeah, we weren't in it too bad. He actually contacted me and said that he had seen where we had bought the old double duty from Trenton, so
Oh, yeah?
it kind of helped to close the deal on
Close the
this. So now we're in it pretty good for the money, and we can go any direction we want to on it. But I want to get some logos, come up with a cool theme, and get some logos put on it and get a little personality to her.
Yeah.
Most of the time, once they have a personality and a theme, they'll kind of tell you how they want to be built. But
That's right, yeah.
they always look good on their ride.
Yep.
But
Yeah. Well, you want me to go back in there and kind of tinker with the thing and see if I can?
yeah,
I
if
think
you
I
want.
just about got it figured out, so.
Alrighty, yeah, if you want to do that, I'll go ahead and get this thing moved in a little closer to the shop. Or someone
Alrighty.
doesn't load it up and take it back with them.
Alrighty.
Well, I feel like it's safe to say that we can mark this off as another successful purchase around the shop. I bought this Metro completely sight unseen, other than just a few pictures he sent me over in Facebook. He knew we were interested in old Metro vans, and I have to say, anytime we get the opportunity to buy one, it's really hard for me to turn it down. The money was right on it, it was close to home, and to top it off, he was willing to deliver it down here to the shop. Now that we dug into it a little deeper, we did find out that it does actually have the original motor and transmission into it. I'm pretty sure she'll crank up and run. Missing the oil cap, which is not a good thing, but having the motor inside the cab here, it's probably been protected from the elements pretty good. So one day we're gonna go ahead and try to dig in this, see if we can get it up and running. Got to find some old tires so we can actually drive it. But all in all, I'm super happy, super stoked. Just got to get my brain turning of what kind of logos we want to throw on it to give it a little personality and see what we can do with her next.